Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to episode 4 of the KZ400 Cafe Racer build. Today, probably just gonna mock up some footrests, shock mounts. I got these cut off from the old bike. Got the little shock mounts. Gonna have to build little support brackets for that. Measure out the distance. But yeah, we got in the last episode subframe all welded up. Still got to do all the grinding, but like I said, I'm gonna mock up the footrests, shock mounts, maybe start working on at least how the exhaust is gonna go. But let's get some more progress done on it. Let's go. Here's what I got with the foot mounts, footrest, so that's gonna come out whatever angle. But got that tacked in. Got enough clearance for the swing arm. I don't think it'll go up that much up or down. But yeah, don't have it on this side, but I got that tacked in too. Now start working on the shock mounts. Alright, so no problem, a little issue. When I was building these, I wasn't thinking about the shock mounts. So the shocks I have, these are stock length. So if I went from there, I don't want them up here, that's gonna look funky. So I'd have to have a pretty big mount here, which I think won't look that good. So I think I'm just gonna order shocks that are just a little bit longer to have them go from there more in the corner here. So just a couple inches longer, so they'll go from the mount up to here on that angle. I think that'll be the best option, and then I don't have to make huge like triangular brackets here to fit these shocks. I don't want it to look funny. So we'll see. Ordered some new shocks. I'll wait for those to come in, and I'm gonna have to build the shock mounts once I get those in. But for now, I'm probably just gonna grind down a couple welds. Got the mounts in for the footrests. Besides that, once I get the shocks in, that's really the only fabbing I really need to do to make the mounts. But yeah, a little delay with that, but no big deal. Okay, so here are the tabs. Gotta finish welding them in, but the seat's gonna go in there, and then the bolts pop down in there, screw it into the bottom. Just gotta finish welding. Alright guys, well, another day, same episode. I got the new shocks in. These are a little bit longer than the stock height I had, but these will fit the original mounting points there, and they'll go to about here. So I'm gonna be working on the mounts and getting those mounted. After that, probably start working on the exhaust. I got these pre-bent tubes. So I'm gonna do the design kind of how I figured. Go out from here, go behind the frame out there on both sides the same. But we'll see how it goes when I just start building. But that's the plan for today. Gonna be a little bit longer episode, but get some more stuff done. Alright, so I've been working on these little brackets that are gonna go up in here. I'm gonna have the top mount sticking out here for the shocks. So I'm gonna get these stacked into place and start getting all this done and have the bike sit on its own weight. so I got these brackets welded in. We'll do some grinding later, and then I'll weld on the insides when I have the frame apart and have easier access. But now I gotta get the bolt part from up there mounted and have the bike sit on the suspension and off the blocks. Alright, got the shocks mounted. Still got some grinding to do, all that to make it prettier, but pretty happy with how it turned out. Sitting on its own suspension weight. Alright, well, got the first part of the exhaust welded on. Same on that side. So my original plan was not this length or anything, but just to have it come out here and have the exhaust come out here, but I think that would be pretty loud and obnoxious, so I just ordered some slip-on mufflers. So I'll have this somehow going out. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna wait to get the mufflers to finish this, but my plan now is to have both of the mufflers from either end come up right here and have both mufflers exhaust come out the side, or out in the middle out here. But yeah, I got this part welded in and I'm not worried about the welds. I'm gonna wrap it anyway. But there we go. Alright, so I went ahead and just finished the exhaust up to this point to where the mufflers are going to be. These are two separate brackets on each end. I'm going to drill a hole and have a bolt kind of keep them together. I was going to put supports, some kind of bracket here, but they're pretty solid. They don't move nothing because they're pretty short. But yeah, got going through here, out there, and I'm going to have two mufflers on either end there. They're gonna be coming out. If I have to cut these back down, I will. But yeah, that's the exhaust for now. Alright guys, that's gonna be episode 4, I think. Again, sorry about all the noise. But yeah, getting a lot of stuff done on the KZ400. Hopefully can get it done here in a month. I don't know, that'd be pretty sweet, so I can get some riding in this season. But yeah, getting some more parts ordered, waiting for stuff to come in, and gonna keep working on it. Thanks for staying tuned, keep watching, subscribe, like, and follow along with the progress.